everyone, welcome to another episode of How to Tutorials by Levonotion Studios. My name is Lydia, and in this episode I'm going to show you how you can detach part of your mesh without separating in Blender. Let's get started. So I'm going to be using this character AY multi-character male version 2, and this tutorial is coming up because I just find out about this year, and I've been using Blender for years and I model a lot. For instance, AY multi-character male female kid, I modeled the characters, and I didn't even know this when I was working initially, but now I found out this year and I'm going to show you how to do this. It's very simple. It's just as easy as selecting your mesh, select the parts. So I'm going to select this, Alt click to select a loop, hold down Shift to select the other parts, then Control plus 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 plus. So now if I want to separate this part of the mesh, so before, what I usually do is I'll just click on P, separate by selection, but we don't do that anymore. Now we've upgraded to Y. Just by using Y, we've splitted. You see? They are now splitted. So now you can easily just continue working. Maybe you want to extrude that. Whatever it is you want to do, you can just do that without separating it into another mesh. And the long method of doing this is, let me select another edge loop. That's Alt click. Is to come under mesh, split. It's called split. Then split by selection, Y. So now that's also another mesh. So that's how you do it. Very simple, very straightforward. And another way to do it, this one is just easy. Without using the split method, just select and just click on, I'm in edge mode, V. So now it has detached this part. So that's another easy way to do it. But sometimes you just want to select the faces and just remove them and not just a line. So it's easy, it's straightforward, and that's it for this video. Very simple, but time saver. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Levonotion Studios if you've not done so, and until next time, stay true to your creativity. Bye bye.